Hello friends, good evening. This is one more session. Somebody was asking me on the other day about the skills which will be in demand in 2021. So I thought to do a study on this part because there are many skills, there are many requirements, there are many demand, but there are few demands which will be more in this 2021 series. One is people will be in demand more who have the capability to find out ways under these 10 points. One is complex problem solving. It is purely based on your skills, purely based on your knowledge of the work, purely based on the field which you have working upon. So complex problem solving persons. Second, critical thinking and logical reasoning people, especially in the management areas, especially in the data scientist areas, especially in the areas of accounts or in the areas of communication. Third is people with more creativity. It's like designing or digital marketing or affiliate marketing, email marketing, creativity, where you can show your creativity. Fourth is where people management is very strong, where you can handle 150 people, you can lead the team, you can make the team understand the goal of the company, you can bind the team among themselves to make the sales or create targets and meet it. Fifth is coordinating with others. There are many managers, there are many peoples who are strong enough in their work, sorry, but they are not good enough to be working in a team. They are not good enough to coordinate with within the team. So such people who are good enough to coordinate in the team are important. Sixth is emotional intelligence strong people who don't get very much affected by the downfall or the upfall of the company, who are very sober in their working and who have seen many experiences of the company, and they become so strong from inside that they can handle any situations. Seventh is judgment and decision making. Your judgment and decision making should be so strong that it should be resulting in favor of the company, in benefit of the company. So such people are quite in demand, where they can decide fast, decide quick, and save money or save cost or save people to go in the loss. So such people are always in demand, will be in demand. Eighth is service orientation. What type of service you are giving? Like we have so many apps going on, like Urban Clapper. You have Ola, you have Uber. Such people are also in demand. Swiggy, where you give service from outside. So such people who have some skills, some capabilities, some experience, they will be in demand. Ninth is negotiation. It's like cracking a sales. It's like cracking a deal. It's like bringing in money, selling insurance, selling investment plans. So negotiation deals are strong, then you will be always in demand, because people want company wants such people who can crack deals and bring money inside. 10th is cognitive flexibility. It's like you are able to do some certain work in any part of the hour, not that you are fixed for 6 to 9 or 9 to 5 or 5 to 8. So there are certain work which if you can do in any part of the day, you are well in demand. It's like online Swiggy people, they give service any time of the day. It's like people who are supplying medicines through the app, they supply at any time of the day. So cognitive flexibility is very important, and it is much in demand. And last one is 11th one is unique skill. If you bring on table, you should have some. If you have some unique skill which you bring on the table of the company, and the company thinks that you will make profit out of it, you will materialize it to scaling up the business, you will be in demand. So note down the points, think over it, plan your action, and take charge. Thank you so much.